Good morning, students. My name is Mandeep Singh, and I'm your SST teacher. Okay, and today I'm here again with the next points of World War II. Firstly, we have learned about the war of Germany with Britain. In that war, Britain also started counter attack on Germany. That's why Germany understood that Britain will not accept his defeat. After that, Hitler decided to halt the attacks on Britain. Okay, so now we will learn about the importance of the Battle of Britain. Right, first importance was that first major turning point of war. Okay, this was the first major turning point of war. From this before this battle, Britain and the all other countries were understand that that Germany is undefeatable. Okay, so that's why from this battle, the Britain understood that Germany is not invincible, right? So first time German attack had been checked. So this is the battle in which the Britain checked the attacks of Britain or ability of German arms and stocks of arms of German army, right? So all things had been checked in this battle, and other countries also understood that Germany's uh, army is also defeatable. Okay, clear that Germany army was not invincible. Okay, this was also cleared from this battle that Germany can be defeated by any country because his attack power has been checked in this battle. Major reason for the ultimate German defeat. Major reason for the ultimate German. So this was the major reason because of the checking of German attacks on Britain. Okay, if Germany did not halt the or stop the attack on Britain, maybe Britain just understood that Germany is really a powerful country, really had a powerful army. But after few weeks, Hitler stopped attack on Britain. So this was the major reason for the ultimate German defeat. Okay. Now war in Africa. Okay. Firstly, we have learnt about war in Europe. Now we'll learn about the war in Africa. Italy declared war after fall of France. France on 22nd October uh, uh, just surrendered to Germany. After understanding from this, Italy also understood that Britain also be a defeatable country, and Italy will defeat. Mussolini started to think that to attack on Britain colonies, okay, in Africa, right? Mussolini wanted to capture the British colonies in Africa. That's why he started war in Africa. Two battles were fought between the Allies and Axis. First is El Alamein in the Western Desert Campaign, and secondly, German also helped Italy in these two battles. Now, firstly, we learn about the first battle. This was fought on the northern coast of Egypt, right? जिसे हम मिस्र बोलते हैं. And this battle was fought between Axis armies just under the Rommel. He is also known as the Desert Fox. Okay, and allied forces. Axis forces such as Italy, Germany, right? Allied forces such as France and England or Britain, right? Allied were able to prevent advancement of the Axis powers. Okay, in this battle, first battle of northern coast of Egypt, right? Allied were able to prevent this stop the advancement of the Axis power. Okay, the advancement in the Axis powers army, right, etc. Now defensive measures were also undertaken and also adopted the defensive measures such as they just cover the west of Alexandria. They also approaches to the capital of Misr, Syria. Okay. Now second battle, Al Alamein. ठीक है, this was fought in the same place near the Egyptian railway halt of Al Alamein. ठीक है, Romans also were in this was also in this second battle, and he was also participated in the first battle. Okay, so this was fought between the October-November 1942. General Montgomery. So General Montgomery is also a famous name in Indian history during the British rule. He defeated the Rommel army. Okay, so this is a turning point for Allies. Now Allies understood that they can defeat the armies of Germany and Italy with the collaboration. Okay, now African project of Mussolini failed when